fitness artist, Jennifer Nicole Lee. Come enjoy this flow with me. We're gonna be doing cat and cow. Feels so good. Healthy spine, healthy mind. We're gonna thread the needle, take the arm through, put the shoulder blade on the mat, swivel the hips back to the other way. Wonderful. We're gonna go into downward dog, hop up on the heels. We're gonna go into three-legged dog. Leg goes up, bend it, rotate it, come back down. We're gonna flow into camel, opening up that heart chakra. Feels so good. We're gonna do semi-half camel, one arm. Go to the other side. Oh, it feels so good. Let's go into butterfly. On the floor, grab the feet. Woo, yes. Let's go into that beautiful big toe pose, right and left. Feels so good. I'm here to help you really feel good.